Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinley. Today I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Singe Beauty Huldra palette. This is such a pretty design that it has right here. And then this is the eyeshadow color story. So beautiful. It has some greens, purples, some neutrals, which are all so pretty. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing what eyeshadow look I create, then keep on watching and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know if you like this eyeshadow look or not. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to go in with the shade Guardian in my crease, and I'm using a Blend Bunny B5 brush. Looks like that. I'm going to go in my crease. Then I'm going to go above this shade with the color Entrance right here. It's like a cream color. And I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, and it looks like this. So I'm going to go above that shade and diffuse it a bit so it won't be harsh. Okay, with this same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Warden, this color right here, and I'm gonna put it in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. I'm gonna go in lightly because this color is on the dark side. It's pretty though. This is my third time using this palette. I have 2 makeup of the days, I believe, with this palette, and so far I've been really liking this palette. It blends so well, so easily, and I just really like it. Once I get the intensity that I like, I'm going to stop there. And it's okay if I went a little further than what I did on this eye, because I'm going to clean this up with a makeup removing wipe. So now for the fun part, I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue. Apply that on the lid. Then I'm going to use the shade Huldra, right, this one right here. So beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. I'm just gonna put it like in the middle of the eyelid. This is so freaking stunning. I love these shades. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Wish right here. Ooh, that's pretty as well. And put it on the rest of the eyelid. I do have some fallout, but that's okay. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna go with the shade Seducing, and I'm gonna wet my eyeshadow brush once I have that shade on. I'm gonna like tuck it in between the crease like so. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like right here. Just tucked it in a little bit. Alright, I'm going to do the final touches off of camera. I'm going to wipe this eyeshadow off of my face, do my complexion, and then I'll be back to do the lower lash line with you guys and the inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go in with the shade Bad Luck on the lower lash line, and I'm using this random BH Cosmetics brush. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. Alright, so let's go in with Bad Luck. I'm going to go in with the shade Temptress, this purple shimmer shade, and I'm going to wet my brush. And put it in the inner corner. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's stunning. Can you guys see? Let me zoom you in. This is the eyeshadow look. Can you guys see the inner corner highlight? It's so freaking pretty. Can you guys see? What do you guys think of this look? You guys like it? All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this look. Tell me what you guys think. It's really pretty. I really like it, and I really like this palette too. The mattes are super blendable. The shimmers are super sparkly and pretty. I am for sure gonna continue playing with this palette because I really like it. So if you guys would like me to make more palettes, if you guys would like me to make more eyeshadow looks, then let me know down below. I will be so happy to do that for you. And all right, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you like this look or not. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.